That turn needs to be just a little bit. Do I need to watch the ditch?
No, we're just gonna have to see that ditch is what scares me.
Yeah.
Your road.
Do I need to watch the trailer?
You made it.
Yeah.
No. Bringing the kids home.
Need an air horn.
I know.
They're taking pictures. Here's your phone. Wait, Mom, phone.
What?
Yes, it is. Like a bite. Clean it up.
Hi, Jack. How are you? So nice to hear.
That puts me at about 3 to 3¼ inch low on the driver's side.
We can do that.
I have a wireless thing that tells me it's in the rig, and so I can look at this and it tells me it's so awesome. That is awesome. No, I think you're gonna like it. What do you think? Right here?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Do you do sense?
Yeah, we need to do 3.5 inches on the driver's side.
Okay. Yeah, so I want to drive up on the Andersons.
Yeah, because that gives you a nice place to set up right here. If you want. And like, I got this down to a routine.
We're doing driver's side, right?
Yeah. And then we'll do 2 trucks on this side. Which one gets closer to something? Back
Well, you
forward.
can back up on it. I can back up on it, I guess.
Yeah.
So what's the lift on that? Almost 4 inches?
Yeah. About 4 on the very end. We do things
Get
that will
two.
never dry out. I'll get hoping it does.
Oh, it's supposed to not rain tomorrow.
I'll watch this side
If it's too
while
big
y'all
of a
do
deal, you don't have to
So
film
it's
this.
the
If it's too
video.
big of a deal to do all this, you don't have to do it today.
Yeah,
It's up to
This is
you.
what we do. That's normal life.
Okay, this is routine. Wild
We're
ride.
done. Get it! Get it! Go!
Open.
Guys, we're good to go.
Ooh, a great piercer?
That sounds like a...
Nah, that looks like a squishy.
Dizzy.
Ah, we have.
Dad, that's the same
I think I've taken his nest away, or her nest, whoever, twice.
In here?
Yeah.
She's determined.
Hello. Where's the thing? Oh. Good grief.
Hang on.
This is our house, not yours.
She likes it here.
And Mom, it has another nest
Decorating
back
for
there.
Halloween.
It has
Yep.
another nest back there with no spider on it.
Really?
Yeah.
Getting ready for Halloween.
It's gonna creep a kid out if they come to our house.
We are working. What did you just do with 1,000 Trails?
I just added a zone.
Which one? What does that mean?
So we have the camping pass.
Yeah.
And we have the southwest, and we want to go up north, so we paid like $60 $69 to add on the northeast, so we can go enjoy the fall.
Right. That's cool. That's like the whole northeast states. Which
And I think there's quite a few campgrounds there, because I'm getting ready to book all of our
yeah, so we're trying to
campgrounds.
work on our plan, our route.
So
for
she said
the
to log out and then
New
log
England
back
states.
in, and they should be on there. Oh, camping. Yep, there we go. Look, we got our new campground.
Already on there? Sweet dates.
So we're going to skip the states where we have to quarantine for 2 weeks.
Yes.
And just, even though we want to go to Maine for lobster,
We just don't have the time as of now.
that's
I
like
don't
a
think
2 or
to-
3 month trip.
Well, that, but even if you had to add on the 2-week quarantine, you know, that extends it obviously that much more time.
But the tricky part is you have to quarantine in the state, but the campgrounds won't let you get into quarantine.
Yeah, that is complicated.
Okay. So Maine, Vermont, Connecticut, and Massachusetts are the iffy ones. So I think everything else is good. Look at all the ones we can go to in Pennsylvania. Do we want to go? When do we want to leave? Right now. I probably should use this weekend for storage,
Yes, well, this week weather was nice, yeah.
but we need to go through our rig and pack
Yes.
stuff up to put back in the storage. Alright. So what's going on in here?
How do you connect these?
I'm not using it.
I think we're gonna put that in storage.
But so
You keep getting it out.
Is that a pocket?
Yeah.
That's where it tucks. It all tucks into there.
Oh, I see.
Makes
We
like a
should do that.
square.
We can do that.
I mean, it is nice if we're gonna go on a picnic or something.
Yeah, we can hang on to this spot. Oh, we're trying to reconfigure
I forgot I
our
could
living
do that.
space.
Okay, what are we doing?
We're reconfiguring our living space. The table was turned, you'll see, but it wasn't working well for us, so we're gonna try to make this space a little better.
What are you guys doing in here?
I'm trying to figure tote and I'm taking
Oh
my
my
tote.
word!
What are you gonna do here, Joe?
Put it in my bin.
Why?
'Cause-
Why can't you just put the minifigs in the minifig drawer?
Well, yeah, I'm gonna put my minifigures in the minifigure.
And then we'll see what else there is. Obviously, there's motorbikes and stuff that can minifigure.
So what are you guys doing?
Trying to plan out where the lights.
So we're gonna go back to storage. You know, gonna get some stuff. What are y'all putting in storage?
I'm putting my rock.
I'm putting my Concertina. So, Mom, how do you like it up there?
Nice. That's all your school books.
Yep, that's all my school stuff.
Slides in right here.
All your school books. We can stick it in there. Sweet. And did Katie make room?
I don't know, me and Jack did. Mom, look at this. This is what I'm thinking of.
Not too shabby.
I like that. Way better.
Now we just need to reconfigure these benches things, because
I'm famous.
these...
That's a history book we're reading, and that's a book I'm reading, and I'm gonna go through my books and see what goes
Can
in
you, for
storage.
now,
Yeah.
I really like these storage
Mm-hmm. We
thingamabobbers.
could just have one.
Well, we would have two. But I was saying if we had to get rid of them all, you know, we could just go back to using these.
I like those benches though.
Me too. You need to get one that's that's like 10 inches longer.
Yes.
Fit the space
Wait.
just right. But I think, where's my, oh, there it is.
Hey, Mom, it's funny. You know the show? You know the show where people bid off these things?
Yes.
They wouldn't.
Storage Wars?
Yes, Storage Wars. We have so much money worth of Legos in there.
That's true. That's the only thing that's valuable.
What are you trying to get into storage?
My bin.
Your
I need
bins?
to go
Some
through
like
I need to go through my stuff. I need to go. I've made it and Lego.
well, I'm gonna move this stuff.
Very back toe. Like, what were we thinking? No, I'm gonna laugh so hard. I'm gonna laugh so hard using that back toe.
Alright, I want this little stuff.
Hey, Dad. Is our pencil tree
Can you
gonna
please
fit
all
one?
that one desk?
Is that pencil tree gonna fit in
Nope, it's not. It's gonna be a tiny little Charlie Brown tree this year.
Yes!
Yes. Mom, we're getting a Charlie Brown Christmas tree this year.
Awesome.
Tote.
Oh no.
Is it in here?
Yes. It's a very bad loss. It literally was the first tote we put in here.
Oh my word.
Yeah, while you're here and I'm holding this the mattress, just take your time, bro. Anything else in there? Are you sure? Look again, just to make sure.
Yeah, let's just get out. Let's just
It's your last chance,
Yeah,
Victor.
you're welcome to
I
take your
don't
time
need
and
anything.
look.
It's just
We moved everything, it's no worries.
my
in there. You're gonna need that for Hogwarts.
Oh yeah, that's right. What about your scarf? Do you have your scarf?
Ron's tie is in there. Harry Potter. Alright, so today is Bathe the Rig Day. We've been trying to do this for a while, but just haven't had time to stop. I am moving the freshwater pump and the power inverter just back against the wall a little better. Just making some more space, because then I can gain several more inches of this back wall for storage that they were just wasting. As we all know, extra storage is fantastic.
Are you gonna cut the really big one?
You just got to get the ones that are too tall. I mean, too short.
For the sake of...
So how high do the trees need to be?
I can step on this. So how long our RV is?
Yeah.
Right there.
When you challenge an airplane's card, you flip it over. So it's officially they know.
Tomorrow we move, getting packed up, getting cleaned up. Whoa, card game going down.
Jared Jack's
What
cheating.
y'all playing?
He's gonna win.
He's cheating? We're not cheating, you're not trying.
Cheating.
Hey,
Cheating. We're all cheating.
everybody's cheating. Wow.
All the first 2 cards we flip. Katie.
Really helpful people, really, really good. Yup, really.
But were they?
Whoa, chips.
Liz, so
Warmer.
Here. Hear any more about your truck?
No. Nothing.
That was the year of the ice storm, right when we bought in '94. And it broke that tree up so bad we bulldozed it over. There was big trees on the other side of the house we bulldozed over, and then there was a big ditch where they dumped a lot of stuff. So can you see it up there? See the man on the moon?
Did you see the picture he took of the moon?
I did. That was really cool.
He took it in the telescope.
Did you?
To get it really still and get it angled just right.
Yeah.
sausage plus sausage gravy. And then I had the white chocolate chips and what was it called? Syrup.
Yeah.
Sweet.
It's like, your stuff.
I'm trying to get this store.